My natural humidifier. That's my natural humidifier. We found an antique, what do you call this, jar at the nursery. I got it. And there. I put water lily. That's our natural humidifier for my plants here. My succulents. There. So we still need to have to put another rack up there. So that's gonna be soon. Ayan. Paunti-unti lang po. But I'm happy, I'm glad I already have this. I put them there para tatamaan sila ng sunlight. Okay, and once in a while, I have to put them not directly under the sun, but at least outside. So, ayan, I'm so in love with them. They are beautiful. Ha, nice.
This one is succulent.
Yes, mommy loves gardening. I got a morning surprise here. Wow, she's a beauty and she flowered. Wow, you are lovely, baby. My goodness, you love it to be here. Wow, she flowered. I'm so happy. Well, I haven't transferred you yet. You already flowered. You like it here? Oh, you like it here. Okay, so I think I'll just make a one shelf here on the window, by the window. Tapos dito ko na lang kayo ilalagay kasi gusto nyo dito, you see your colors. And this one have grown really big already. Sige, dyan ko na kayo ilalagay. This will be your permanent place. You love it to be here. Alright, you are beautiful, babe. You are beautiful, baby. Lovely. Oh, nakakatuwa. I just bought this last month. Pero wala siyang parang purple sa dulo nung binili ko. It's parang green. Pero, sobrang gusto niya dito. Wow. Okay. Okay.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.